example 3, or exercise 3 from A9, is a lot easier than the exercise 1 that we saw a radical with a fraction inside it. But this equals the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 8. Now, 3 is simplified. You can't go any further. There's no square number that's going to go into 3. But there is a square number that goes into 8, and which is 4. So we're going to get the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 4 times 2, which is equal to the square root of 3 divided by root 4 times root 2, which is equal to the square root, we'll do it down here, which is equal to the square root of 3 divided by 2 root 2. Now, we're not quite done because there's a radical in the denominator. And so, because there are no radicals in the denominator, we're going to have to go ahead and rationalize the denominator. And the way that we're going to rationalize the denominator is by multiplying by root 2 over root 2. The reason we do this is because when you're multiplying two square roots, you go ahead and multiply the numbers. And so you're going to get the square root of 6 on top. And on the bottom, you're going to get 2 times the square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And so we're left with the square root of 6 over 4. And this here is our answer in its most simplest form.